If you're considering a SonicAire dust control solution, you're probably wondering what electrical infrastructure is required to support a fan system. Well, today on You Ask, We Answer, we're going to identify 5 electrical considerations for your upcoming fan system installation. Before we get rolling, if you find this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel down below. And you can also follow us on LinkedIn for more helpful information about everything dust related. SonicAire fans are a great fugitive dust control solution, but there are some electrical details that you'll need to think about as we work together to design the perfect system for your facility. Here are the 5 elements we'll want to explore. Number 1, your motor control center. Number 2, your area classification. Number 3, group fan controls. 4, individual fan circuit protection, and 5, fan zone controls. First, your motor control center, or MCC room as it's commonly referred to. SonicAire fans run on 3-phase power from 208 to 575 volts, and you'll need a motor controller with approximately 50 amps of power available. You'll also need to let us know where the MCC room is in relation to the area where the fans will be installed. The closer the better. Next, area classification. Is the area where the fans will be located considered a hazardous location, such as Class 2 Division 2 or even Division 1? We have options for both, but this impacts the type of SonicAire equipment we will supply and the type of electrical conduit that should be used. Number 3, controls. Our fans can be operated as simply as manually turning them on and off with one of our local disconnect switches. However, most customers opt for our command control panel, which will operate a group of fans on a timer or in conjunction with your process. This panel will even interlock the fans with your fire alarm system to ensure that they do not operate should there be a fire event in your facility. We also offer a Command 15 panel, which is a variable speed option. This control panel will allow you to do everything that the command panel does, but it also allows you to reduce the fan speed for energy conservation. Some customers even utilize the fans at a reduced speed for general air circulation and cooling, as well as full speed dust protection. Now, the local disconnect switch. This is possibly the most important electrical decision in your fan system design. Each fan requires its own manual motor starter, which we refer to as the LDS. The LDS provides thermal and overload circuit protection, as well as acts as a disconnecting means for each fan. The question at hand is, where would you like the LDS installed? They can be grouped together in one central location, generally near the command control panel, or on a wall or column near each fan, or in the ceiling immediately adjacent to the fan. Locating the LDS in the ceiling may be the most cost-effective installation option, but bear in mind that this is a resettable circuit protection device like a breaker in your house, and should it trip, you will have to go up to the ceiling to reset it. If you'd like to have the LDS wall-mounted but also want a lockout-tagout disconnect near the fan, we can do that by adding a simple disconnect switch near the fan as well. And finally, do you have any sensitive processes that would be disturbed if a strong blast of air were to blow on them? Well, if anything comes to mind, please let your sales rep know. If these processes are below where the fans will be installed, that's no problem. We can fine-tune the fans for that. However, if it's an area to the side of the fan, we'll need to install one of our zone control kits on the fan to prevent it from blowing into unwanted areas. If all of this discussion about electrical considerations for a SonicAire fan system has raised any additional concerns, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more videos on some of our most frequently asked questions, or just give us a call. But if you're ready to create a safer, healthier, more efficient workplace, contact one of our dust safety experts today to get started with your custom fan system design. You can contact us on our website or by sending an email to us at moreinfo@sonicaire.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. You'll need a motor controller with approximately a slower teleprompter speed so that you can keep up with all the things that are coming across the screen. you'll need a motor controller, another controller. That's the fan hum.